What is up, diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another amazing episode of Diecast Maniac. And today also we have another RWB for our collection, and we are reviewing about this. This is actually the second version of a first collaboration which was released last year, as I remember, and this was the Painkiller version 1, and it was actually the Red Thailand special edition. That was actually a Porsche 911, and now we have the Painkiller version 2, which is the RWB 930. So for those who remember and for those who don't, the RWB Painkiller version 1 was actually in full red with gold brown sort of a wheel set, but this time when we have the Painkiller version 2, it's actually red with the black side skirts, bumpers, and we have another high wing with 2 layers, just like the Valkyrie and the Rotana. We have this in a white double layer wing. So let's get into it and see how it looks like. Same as the usual RWBs or Tarmac any brands, we get the normal coating package to cover up, and we have the cardboard packaging, as well as we have underneath the certificate which authenticates the RWB model and the number. So there you go, we have the Painkiller version 2. Talking about the livery, the casting and the packaging, it's all similar with the color code. You get the red, black and grey, and even on the stage, mainly Tarmac has highlighted the red in order to bring out the color of the car, and the rest in black and grey. And you guys can see on top we have the Tarmac RWB 930 Painkiller version 2. Talking more about the livery, as I mentioned before, you get the car in red with a line strip of grey, and also the side skirts and also the front and rear bumpers, everything in black, and a mix of black and red in the wing as well, and full black wheels with some amazing tires. So there you have it, guys, the RWB Painkiller version 2 930, and this is another amazing release by Tarmac, and this is another RWB addition to my collection as well. So, and for you guys to enjoy, hope you guys enjoy the video, and always make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.